Tapier with EGR Products and Robert again from SEMA 2017 at their booth. And well, what could be better than a rear cab spoiler? Not to spoil the looks of your truck, but to make it fantastic, especially with these. Tell us a little bit about these.
Yeah, we're definitely here to spoil you with our spoilers here.
I like that.
We've got, I don't have one on one of these trucks because we're showing off some of our sports bars on there, but this will pretty much 3M tape and polyurethane glue to the back of your vehicle. It's the same glue that they use for the windshield, so it's that black stuff that kind of bubbles up when you take it off. So if you did want to take it off, you can actually cut fishing string through it, so it won't damage your paint or anything like that. They look really, really nice paint to match as well, but they come in a matte finish like this, so it would hang off the third brake light, something like that. We are going to start offering them in a painted version, black, white, and silver for all the full-size trucks. So the applications go, I mean, from Colorado, Tacoma to Silverado F-150, F-250. We have them for all the newer late model trucks. But yeah, so we're kind of showing you here what it's going to look like painted versus the the matte black finish.
Wow, it's show and tell at SEMA with EGR and Robert at EGR Products. We have much more to show you too, including the body side moldings, and some steps and a whole lot more in Auto Parts Warehouse, where you can find all the EGR products. I'm Paul Tapier. Stay tuned.